I'm going to give you a tour today from my landscaper, who happens to be the best landscaper on the planet. His name is God. So, this is what I wake up to every day. Pretty spectacular, I'd say, huh? What do you think? All el natural. Beautiful. Butterflies, bees. Now we're going to start getting into some interesting things. Things that I planted. Bring a little color. And this whole patch right here, I planted this all last year, and now it's all coming up. Look at that. This I just planted just recently, all from seeds. Okay, this is just a view that Mother Nature provides. Just gorgeous. Okay, that's all a work of art, work in art actually. It's coming along, but this is all natural beauty. Get away from the stress of the rat race, although I'm out of there now. Not bad, huh?